It's a splendid day for a motorcycle ride, especially one for a good cause. This is Rob, and we are going to take you on that ride today on Road Dirt TV. This Road Dirt presentation is brought to you by Law Tigers, motorcycle lawyers. Find them at lawtigers.com. Rob with Road Dirt, and we are at the 10th annual Distinguished Gentleman's Ride for men's prostate cancer and mental health. And good to be back on a ride after a year where they could not do it. This actually is a worldwide event in every time zone around the globe. On this day and Sunday, when the clock hits 10 a.m. kickstands go up in all the participating cities, and these rides will take off for parade routes through their town, through the countryside, wherever they are, and all to raise awareness and raise funds for men's mental health and specifically prostate cancer as well. And kind of near and dear to my heart because I'm a 3-time bladder cancer survivor myself, and some years back a good friend of mine died from prostate cancer, and so it's a cause that's kind of close to me. So glad to be here today. Looks like we'll be leaving out in a few minutes to take off, so let's look around at some of the bikes that are here. It's really cool. The theme of it is kind of, which is why I've got the tie on and the kind of the dress shirt, is kind of this English style, Mad Men, that TV show, kind of dapper look, 50s, 60s kind of look, and so we kind of dapper up ride vintage bikes or modern classic versions of them, and let's take a look at a few. There's my little ride. Triumph Bonneville. Man, some cool bikes here though. BMW R18, a couple of these here. Ducatis. Check this out. Vespa sidecar. Kind of cool. And just to give you some scope, I think there's going to be about 300 or so riding in this one. You got modern classics. You got true old school ones. Look at this. Sponsored by Triumph North America and locally by Freewheeling Power Sports, as well as a bunch of other local shops. Quite an event. Look at this. Somebody's got a Janus.
I'd like to start anyway, so. Oh, just in case. Usually I don't. Yeah, stupid. The charging system.
Serious old school. Well, this is my friend Steven with Law Tigers, and Law Tigers is one of the sponsors of not only this one here in Georgia, but others around the United States, I'm assuming, right?
I believe so. I know we kind of worked this out with the local guys here, but yeah, we've been, we were finally able to get on this ride. This is something that's been near and dear to my heart for a while,
yeah.
And I know a lot of us around here, so, but yeah, great event today.
Man, you're looking sharp. Look at this guy, man. He is a sharp dressed man.
I know. Finally got.
We're all
to break out
sweating
the
like.
old suits.
Yeah, I know, man. We're all sweating like dogs, but
Yeah.
looking forward to it. So, man, we always appreciate Law Tigers. You guys are the best motorcycle lawyers. A little shameless plug for them. They are true riders and true philanthropists. So, my man.
Yeah, good seeing you, man.
I think that's Adams. Adam Vanderveen of Triumph North America. And we are suiting up to hit the road. Here we go. 10th Annual Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. A slow parade through downtown Atlanta. I just love the bikes. And the cars. And the get-ups. This is great. Bikes from really all over the southeast coming here to be a part of this. All these riders from all kinds of backgrounds, all kinds of different types of rides, all different kinds of stories, all united for one great cause. Stadium looming in the screen. This will be a cool route through downtown Atlanta. Our first stop off, halfway through the ride, packing us in here like sardines. Nice little ride through the downtown area.
Yeah, it was.
We're with Adam Vanderveen of Triumph North America, and I know you guys are proud sponsors of this event for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. So, hey Roger, Triumph really loves the Distinguished Gentleman's Rise and the cause, and raising funds and awareness for men's health, specifically prostate cancer and men's mental health, in partnership with the Movember Foundation. So, we feel very confident as a brand that all the funds are going to the right place and doing a lot of good. So really happy to be out here riding on this glorious day in Atlanta. It's a
Yeah.
little warm, but you know, Atlanta PD did a great job. There was never a stopping point one on the ride. So
Oh, I know. It's really, man, for, I think, how many do you estimate we had in it so far?
well, I know
How many had registered?
registration was about three shy of 300
Oh,
for the
nice.
Atlanta ride.
Yeah.
So this city took a few years off from the ride, and I know there's a great group of hosts now bringing it back. And this is a record-setting number for Atlanta, and I think it's going to grow from here.
What's cool about the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride is that in every time zone around the globe at 10 a.m. they go kickstands up, and it's a ride that's taking place in a 24-hour cycle on this
Just
day.
like New Year's.
Yeah, that's right, man. We're celebrating around the world and raising awareness. So awesome.
All right, so if you'd like to contribute, just go to gentleman'sride.com.
Yes, sir. Grant Park, Cyclorama, Zoo Atlanta. Passing by all this right now. So here we are forming back up. Ridden all through Atlanta to the other side and then came on back. Beautiful day for it. And look at this ride. Still coming in. This has been great. We have finished the ride, and this is my new friend Tony. Tony, how you doing, man?
Good, great.
Who's this down here? Let me get a look at who we have down here.
That's Maggie.
Maggie, his riding buddy. And this behind him is a Ural. What year Ural model is it? It's a 2020. So man, Maggie, how you liking the ride? Let me get down here and see Maggie again. You enjoying the ride? She she'd probably more rather get in some shade, wouldn't she?
Yep.
So you bought it just this past year, huh?
Yep.
Man, I love what you've done with it and everything. Tell me why you rode in the DGR this year.
I actually went to Ailes and Overlanders, and I met Dutch there, and he talked to me about it, and also shout out to John at Blue Moon Cycle.
Oh yeah.
And they kind of described it to me, and it's a very worthwhile cause and needs to be brought more attention to it. So that's why we're here today, because it sounded like a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun, and for a great ride, great people, definitely a great cause. Because when you think about it, I mean, all of us know somebody who's struggled with depression, anxiety, whatever, or at our age, as we get older, with men's cancer, prostate cancer, things like that. I mean, I'm a 3-time survivor of bladder cancer myself, so definitely means something to me. So we appreciate you, Tony.
Yep.
Love your ride and love your riding companion. So there you have it, the 2021 Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, the Atlanta one, that is. These are taking place all day long, all over the world, in every time zone, and on every continent, probably except Antarctica. But it's been quite a ride. This one's been fantastic. I'm sure they all are, all around the globe. I think it's gentleman'sride.org, I think is where you can find it at. And you can donate and give there. As we've been saying, it supports men's prostate health and research in that, and mental health issues as well. So get involved with it and check it out, support it, and we're going to get inside and get something to drink and get something to eat and enjoy some of the festivities that they've got going on as well. This is Rob with Road Dirt from the DGR. Ride Life.